So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can use the ChatGPT as a career counselor. So this is the prompt that I have written, just you can check out. So I will read it out for you and let's see how it will act as a career counselor. So I want you to act as a career counselor. I have written to the ChatGPT. I'm interested in exploring different career options and would like guidance on how to choose a career path that is right for me. You should first ask 5 questions, one question each conversation interactively to learn about my background, and then based on that information you should be able to provide highly personalized wide range of careers, including the education and experience requirements for the typical job and responsibilities. So this is the prompt that I have written. You can read out here full. So as we have told, the ChatGPT have asked the 5 questions, and here I have given the answers to the ChatGPT. As you can see here, what are your current skills and area of expertise? Computer science and programming. Sorry for the spelling mistake, guys. So into the second question, the ChatGPT asked us, what do you enjoy doing in your free time and what are your personal interests? So I've told that I like building the softwares for the people and I like the web development. And in the third question, the ChatGPT asked, what are your long-term goals and what do you think you should be able to achieve in the long term in your career? So I told that my long-term goal is to be an entrepreneur. So here, as you can see, the ChatGPT have given a best career counseling components that we can try to consider while building our career. So based on your background in computer science and programming and your interest in building the software that people love, one potential career path for you is the software development. This field typically involves designing, testing and maintaining the software applications, as you can see here. And another career option to consider given your interest is entrepreneurship. So but I love software development, so definitely I love to do the job in particular industry that have grown very well the particular company into that particular industry. So this is the output given by the ChatGPT and it's amazing. So this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in. so here basically I have created a course for you all guys where you can use ChatGPT within 101 different professions. So I would like to show, and if you are not interested you can leave out the video. It's definitely okay if you leave out. So here just you can see the particular course that I have created. Into the curriculum section, I have told you how you can use ChatGPT as an advertiser, then UX developer, life coach, career counselors with each and every prompt. So I have made around 101 videos. Just you can check out this website, that is aiconvo.in. I will give the link into the description, and if you wanted to buy right now, just go and then use the code ELON20 to get rupees 400 off onto this price. So already 648 students have registered through different programs. So thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you into the next video, and in this way you can use the ChatGPT as a career counselor for building your career very successfully. So thank you for watching. We'll meet you into the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.